How to fix security problem in GCash. So if you're seeing a security problem prompt with your GCash account, uh, there's a few ways you could potentially try that could possibly help you with this. So the first thing, before we go with anything else, you could try turning off your VPNs or proxy connections, since some users have found that using a VPN can cause the device not secure error. So turn that VPN off if you do have any and try again. And if you're on a public or untrusted Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or a trusted network. And other than that, also make sure that your Gcash is up to date. You can do this in your Play Store, search for Gcash of course, and if it doesn't say update, that means you're on the latest version. You can also go ahead and try ensuring that you're using a non-rooted or jailbroken phone, since the app may block you. This can happen because you would possibly have developer options on. So to do this, just go ahead to your settings. You can find your developer options in your settings. It pretty much depends on what device you have, but in my case, it's found here in the additional settings, and then you scroll down a bit until you find additional settings of the developer options. Then just go ahead and turn that off. So you can disable this installation from unknown sources or untrusted sources in your settings. And finally, the last option we currently have is to just go stay in your settings, search for apps, and then in your apps, go to Gcash, and then just go ahead and try clearing up some cache. Over here, press on clear data on the bottom right, and then clear cache. Now, these are the only options we currently have to potentially help you with this problem, but hopefully one of these does work, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.